Okay, I hope this angle is fine. If it's unacceptable, I'm sorry. But the wide angle lens is really the only way I can record these videos and they come out like okay. So unfortunately, I just noticed that my L desk is a right return, but it always positions the iPhone mic on the left side. So when I talk, actually no, the iPhone's fine. Anyway, so basically I got a pair of AirPod Pros, and long story short, they were lost or stolen, either or. I was helping my cousin move in, and basically just they slipped out of my pocket, went back to the gas station or wherever it was, and asked, did anybody find anything? The attendant said, oh, that sucks, man. I mean, I lost he lost one of these, so it still costs like $90 to replace. But for me, I lost the whole thing. It slid out of my pocket, and I didn't have an AirTag attached to it or anything. And iOS 15 comes out September 20th, and the update would allow you to link the AirPods to your Apple ID. So then if somebody finds them, you can get a notification or you can find them. But yeah, I happened to lose them 1 month before the update, so lucky me, right? Well, because I was too lazy, and honestly, I was hoping to just make it till the Apple event to just see if they were going to make new AirPods. And I just wanted to know that if there is going to be a new pair or not. And I just wanted to buy a case only for the new AirPods. I didn't want to buy a case and then buy a case again. But I bought 4-pack of AirTags, and I was good to go. I was fine. But unfortunately, they slipped out of my pocket and I lost them. So if I just bought this case and attached my AirTag that was sitting around, I would have been fine. Because with an AirTag, you can find it anywhere, like in the world. So now I'm not even gonna bother waiting for the update to come out. I don't care. I'm gonna attach the AirTag to it and it'll be linked. If I find it, I filed a claim. I mean, I doubt it's gonna go through. I doubt anybody cares. But if anybody's lost an AirTag, an AirPod, then you know what I'm saying. It sucks. I called up Apple. I have Apple Care, but Apple Care apparently doesn't cover lost and stolen for this, only my iPhone. So it covers if it was smashed, if I drove it over my car, but they can't do anything for lost or stolen. I contacted a few times. I contacted my credit card company to let them know I had them, lost them, and then I went back. The guy said if they're gone, they're gone, and that's it. And then I tried to go around the area, Bluetooth range, try to find it where it was last reported missing, and after I think like 2 weeks, Apple completely deletes the location data. I have screenshots as proof because I've contacted a few times, but it is what it is, dude. It is what it is. Honestly, the last time this ever happened to me was when a kid stole my Pokemon Sapphire. It was the day after I caught Latios, whatever is the one that's specific for that game. And I literally had a kid at my Taekwondo class trade me his Groudon because he was gonna reset his game. He didn't care. He beat Ruby. He gave me his Groudon. I had Kyogre Groudon. I had a Relicanth. I had a whatever it was, Latios or Latias. I don't remember which one is a Sapphire exclusive. And literally the next day, it was gone. I don't know. The worst part is, I knew the kid who took it, but I was like in 2nd or 3rd grade. And the kid was like a 5th grader, and he was like really big. And if I had to give a size comparison now, I'm like 6 foot. So that kid at that time, or today, would be like 7 foot, 250 pounds, 220. No, 7 foot, 7 foot, like 225. So yeah, anyway, the reason why I know it was him is because he allowed all the other kids at Aftercare to gather around and see him play the Pokemon game. And he was showing it off, but he wouldn't let me come and see, because if I saw, then I would have immediately known that he took my copy of the game. So then I had to convince my parents to drive to a Target, and then I was like, oh, hey, can I get this game? And they said, didn't we already buy you this game? And I was like, no, this is a new one. I never got it before. So yeah, pretty lame story, but this is the only closest feeling that I have that is equivalent. Losing these and having to buy them again. $30 game isn't a big deal, but getting Groudon and Kyogre legit, without a Game Shark or anything, and a day after I caught my Latios, whatever it was. I'm upset just talking about it. Anyway, we're gonna take this stuff out. I'm gonna be ordering an AirTag thing as well, an AirTag wallet. So you can expect that soon whenever that happens. But for now, I gotta open these up. I already recorded an unboxing and everything for my old AirPods. Once again, it's literally the same thing. I'm not even gonna pair them. I'm just gonna set them up because I know they work. So in here just comes with how to set it up and I think stickers. I would go get my other Apple box as proof, but like I really don't feel like doing all that. I'm gonna buy the Apple Care again on this. You know what, this time I might actually just buy the Square Trade warranty, not even the Apple Care. Square Trade warranty I think is better. I don't think there's a deductible. Oh, actually, you know what? I didn't know by buying another pair of AirPods I'd get another lightning cable. Okay, this worked out. All right, dude. This is I'm actually pretty happy about this. These cables are like, I think like 20 or 30 bucks or 15 bucks. I don't know, but like it's nice to have another cable because I have a USB-C solar power charged battery pack, and this is a fast charging for the iPhone. So I just use my MacBook charger, and then that can actually charge my MacBook because it's USB-C as well. But yeah, it's really convenient having another one of these. I can leave in the car, and then I can have I have two other ones because the AirPod. I didn't buy the iPhone charging brick. I absolutely refuse to buy that brick. So I'll buy a third-party one after I've done research. A good USB-C, USB-A. It's got to have at least 2 ports. I'm not buying a brick with 1 port. It's ridiculous. I just use the MacBook Air charger. If I have to use a brick with 1 USB-C port, then I would just use the one that came with my MacBook. You can say whatever. I'm saving money. I don't care. So there's different ear cushion sizes, whatever. The stock one worked fine for me, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. I guess you put it like this. By the way, I wasn't lying when I made that Bose like quiet comfort video. Like I love Bose like noise canceling headphones, and I'm probably gonna reorder those Bose QC45s because I love them. But yeah, that other one had like a ton of issues, man. Like it was great performance and everything, but it was just when you put it, like it would slip out of my right ear and the left ear would stay in place, but then it started hurting after an hour. It's just, in terms of noise canceling, maybe that's a little bit better than these, but these are really that good. Like, I'm not even like bullshitting. These are really easy to use. They're really convenient. I don't know if this is gonna cut off the record. Okay, recording's back. Yeah, so it turns off the video when I connect to them. But yeah, they work. They're AirPods. They feel really clean. The pass-through, the hear, like, what's the opposite of noise cancellation? The hearing aid mode, the aware mode. It's really good. They're great. Just like how I remember them. So when you lose these, it's $90 per bud, and then it's $100 for the case. So Apple quoted me for, my bad, I don't know where the recording cut off, but basically what I was saying is this, oh yeah, I was opening the flap, open, close, like that. I don't know if it's gonna cut off the recording again, but I was trying to show that this back part doesn't have rattle like my old one, and this one is better like quality control. They feel better than the old ones. I'm not BSing, I'm serious. This AirTag went through the wash, and I couldn't get any AirTags with design or anything because they were completely like sold out. I had to go to the Apple store and quickly get them because I had a trip and I was trying to make it in time, and I really needed like Amazon is completely sold out. You can buy these, so sounds hard to believe in the future. Yeah, around July these were completely sold out and you couldn't get AirTags. Like I said, this went through the wash and it works perfectly fine. I just tested it. Now we're gonna slide in my AirPods into this case. Goes in perfect. And now you at the top with the adhesive. Here's a little instruction manual. I'm not sure if I was supposed to add adhesive at the bottom. Installation. Additional adhesive tape included. Okay, so yeah, this is only if you have an issue. So I'm gonna pack this one up. And I really don't want to keep this tiny box, but I guess I will. And then this little clip, I can use it to attach my keys to the AirPod thing like this. I would have it like this, I guess. Yeah, because it wouldn't really move that much. And to make sure this is the right end. So it goes down like this. This is what it looks like closed. This feels very tough. Like it's like kind of like, wow, you know, this definitely heavy when you pack all this gear on it. It feels like you're carrying like a magazine or something. Like it's like not even like AirPods anymore. But so you got to do to make sure you don't get what you gotta do to make sure you don't gotta buy another pair for no reason. I'm trying to pull it off the adhesive tape because I didn't do it perfectly. So OCD. 1 second. Okay, so I don't know if this is visible, but I want it to be perfectly closed on both ends, but now it's just equal, exposed to the white. And that was actually pretty difficult to turn off. I mean, we'll pull off, but yeah, the adhesive is on. So if this fell, drop it on the floor, 1 sec. Yeah, This actually is really good. It's not gonna get any scratches. My old AirPod case had a lot of scratches. Once again, I don't know where it cut off, but basically I had a case and everything when I got my iPhone. This is great. Sealed, good. I should have done this from the beginning. The only thing I don't have is a wireless charger, so I have to connect this with a wire. I will fully charge these, and I don't have a USB-C on my USB hubs. So I use the one USB-C port that is on my motherboard, and I don't have a USB-C on my, actually I don't have to, I have the USB-C right here. That's a UPS over there, uninterruptible power supply. So I can charge these AirPods. You can't see the status LED of it charging, but I know they're fully charging. But yeah, this is nice. I'm very happy with this. I'll take a photo now.
Hey, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the AirPod Spigen AirTag case overview, and have a great day, alright?